Good morning, children. Today we are going to study about atom in the chapter atomic structure. In our previous video, we already discussed about the atom. Now, atom is an English word which comes from Latin word atomus, that means indivisible particles. But it can be defined as an atom is the smallest particles of a matter which takes part in chemical reactions, but it may or may not have the physical existence. That means all the atoms have no capability of physical existence in the nature. Some atoms have the ability of physical existence, like noble gaseous atoms like helium, argon, krypton, xenon, because they are inactive one. They do not take part in chemical reaction, but on most of the atoms are active because they are not stable in the nature, but they try to attain the stability by taking part in chemical reactions, and during the chemical combinations they chemically combines with other atoms of similar origin or dissimilar origin so that they can attain the stability. Okay, the next topic that we have to study in atomic structure, that is molecules. So just like an atom, a molecule is also the smallest particles of any matter, but they do not have the ability of taking part in chemical reactions because molecules have already ability of physical existence, because most of the matters, tiny units, are exist in nature in the molecular forms, because in atomic form they do not have the ability of existence, but in molecular form they have the existence. That means we can define molecules. A molecule is also smallest particles of any matter, like compounds or elements which have the capability of physical existence, but they do not have the ability of taking part in chemical reactions. That means when a molecule have to taking part in chemical reactions, before that it should be split into their simpler ones like atoms, and in the atomic form they take part in chemical reactions. Atoms join together to form molecules. For example, the nitrogen. Nitrogen is the name of element, non-metallic gaseous elements. It is represented by a symbol N. N is the atom of nitrogen. When two nitrogen atoms join together, they form the molecule of nitrogen. So in the form of atom like N, nitrogen have no stability in the nature, but in the form of N2, that means in the form of molecules, nitrogen have the ability of physical existence in the nature. Okay, that is all for. Thank you.